Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Waves for waves. This innovative tool helps you achieve beautiful, natural-looking waves with minimal effort. It's designed to be gentle on your hair, utilizing ceramic plates that distribute heat evenly. You'll find it heats up incredibly fast, usually in about 30 seconds, making your styling routine quick and efficient. Let's dive into the steps for perfect waves. Before you begin waving, proper hair preparation is key for stunning results. Always start with hair that is completely clean and dry. Next, generously apply a high-quality heat protectant spray from roots to ends. This shields your hair from heat damage. Then, gently detangle your hair using a wide-tooth comb to ensure smooth styling. Finally, divide your hair into manageable sections, ideally about 2 inches wide, for easier application. Now, let's create those beautiful waves. Take one of your prepared hair sections and place it between the plates of the Easy Waves tool, starting near the roots. Gently clamp down and hold it there for approximately 5 to 8 seconds. Release the clamp, then move the tool down the same section, overlapping the previous wave slightly. Continue this technique, working your way down each section until you reach the very ends of your hair. Once you've waved all your hair, it's time for the finishing touches to ensure your style lasts. First, let your waves cool down completely. This helps them set properly. Next, gently run your fingers through your hair to separate the waves, creating a softer, more natural appearance. To lock in your look, apply a light hold hairspray evenly. Remember to avoid brushing your hair, as this can disrupt the beautiful wave pattern you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.